Hey guys, Dr. Ray Marquez here, local chiropractor back pain relief center. We're here this afternoon with Rainian, and she was in an accident a while ago, and she's having some neck, upper back, and some low back pain. So we're going to do a bunch of work on her and get her adjusted, and I'll be talking our way through it just so you can understand what we do and how we treat these particular problems. All right, so the first thing I'd like you to do is go face down for me. We're going to lay on your belly. I have you scooch up just a little bit, and you're just going to hang your hands down on the side. All right, so she has some upper back and lower back problems. So the first thing we're doing is loosen up these muscles on her upper back. And look, some of these might be a little tender for you. Just let me know if it's too much, okay? Okay. I'm going to put some pressure on some trigger points. Feel how that feels it a little bit? I want you to lift your head and look this way for me 5 times. 1, back to the center. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Okay, we're going to do that same side. Okay, I'm putting a little bit of pressure on these trigger points. This side 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little tender, isn't it? Now let's do the other side. A little pressure. Look this way for me 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one last time, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Okay, we're going to kind of do the same type of exercise on our low back. I'm going to bend your leg, all right? I'm going to put a little pressure on you. I'm going to move your leg in and out. Is that too much?
No, I can just feel that.
You feel that? That's part of that injury, right? Do you feel that pain all the way down your leg or just right there?
It comes a little bit down my
little down there. Okay, so that just means we have some dysfunction in that joint, right? We'll try a little lighter. You okay there?
Yeah.
The problem when we have these injuries is that sometimes we got to touch the bad spots. You okay? Good. Now we're going to move to the other side. Not as tight on this side, huh? Okay. What I'm doing is putting some pressure on our low back muscles, moving our leg in and out in order to loosen them so we can decompress the joints. We're going to check her leg length. This leg's appearing a little shorter, and it's not because her leg's shorter, it's because her pelvis has misaligned or is rotated. All right. Brandon, next I'm going to use an adjusting instrument on you. That's all it's going to kind of do, all right? What I'm going to do is we're putting a little pressure on all these joints in order to break up any adhesions that may be there from the accident and from the dysfunction of the joint. Next, we're going to loosen your muscles up just a little more, a little tender, might be a little funny or tickle. Just kind of try to bring some blood to the surface of the muscles and loosen the joint up. Okay, so now we're going to adjust your low back. Okay, so you're going to hear some cracking noise in that. That's just decompressing the joint. Okay, so I'm just going to move you a little bit. Okay, and here we go. Good. Okay. Let's try the other side, and Lisa, maybe come over here in that corner.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to put you where I need. That was nice and easy, wasn't it?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to bend your leg. Okay, a little pressure. Good.
It's already popping once you
Oh, you're getting that tension, right? Let's go on your back for me, face up. So lay on your back. Okay, next we're going to adjust your neck, okay? So just hands on your belly. We're just going to go nice and light. Maybe you can come over here, Lisa. Okay, just nice and light. Good. Good. Not bad, right?
Yes. Okay.
Come up for me. We're going to have the seat face this way.
Okay.
Doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay, the next thing we're going to do is a mid-thoracic or upper back adjustment. The way we're going to do is I'm going to cross your arms. Okay, I'm going to have your chin down to your chest. I'm going to lay you back and pick you back up, but leave your legs down and your chin down.
Okay.
Okay, so come on back and just leave your chin there. Good. One more time. There it goes. All right?
I felt good.
Not bad. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do a little electric stim and some ice on her, and then we're going to put her on the roll of bed. Okay? All right, next we're going to do a little electric stim and some ice on Rainian, and we're going to do that to try to alleviate some of her back pain. What I'm doing now is putting some blocks under her pelvis, and what that does is relieve pressure on her low back by opening up the joint space so those discs can kind of pull back and she'll feel just a little better.
It does feel better.
Feels a little better, doesn't it,
I
right?
can tell a difference.
Just that one spot. I'm gonna lift your shirt just a little bit. You're good right there. We're gonna put a TENS unit on her. And the reason why we use TENS units here is because with our patients, we send them home with one. And we have them do it every night for about 20 minutes with some ice, and it helps them manage their pain while they're at home. Because I think you really, when you're dealing with problems like this, you need to address them every day. That doesn't mean that you necessarily need to come to us every day, but you kind of got to do some stuff at home. All right, we're going to put an ice pack on there. It's going to be a little cold. All right, you're going to feel a little funny sensation, Randy, okay?
Alright, I'm ready.
Right
Ooh.
there. Is that too much?
Oh no.
Can you handle that?
Oh yeah.
Strong but comfortable. Is that good, or you want to go
Yeah.
stronger?
A little bit stronger.
All right. We're going to do this for about 10 minutes, and we're going to put her on a roller bed, okay? All right, so now we have Randy on our intersegmental traction table, or our roller bed, and it kind of just makes them feel better after the adjustment, but more importantly, that roller is going up and down her spine, and it's opening up the disc spaces to increase her mobility, decrease the dysfunction, and to get her to function and feel just a little better. So we, in overview, what we do is we do some muscle work first, then we do a spinal manipulation, then we do some electric stim and some ice to get some inflammation down, and then we do our roller bed to allow the patient just to feel a little better and get some better function. All right, I want to thank everybody for watching. Thanks, Brandon, for allowing us to video this. If you have any questions or you want to see some more of this, go to our websites. If you're in Myrtle Beach, it's myrtlebeachwalkinchiro.com. Again, that's myrtlebeachwalkinchiro.com. If you're up in New Jersey, it's Back Pain RC for Relief Center, so backpainrc.com. You can see more videos there. We're also on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. All right, we're a walk-in, no appointment needed clinic, so if you want to come in and get adjusted, just stop on in. Again, thanks for watching.